Bonjour, hi, welcome to the stream behind my cloud. Very happy to be here back after I think it's a month of not streaming for many different reasons like holidays, vacation, traveling, stuff like that. So yeah, happy to be back. It's been a long time, and I my laptop Linux I upgrade the version, passing from the major version to another one, and I forgot to uncheck that little bar. So at some point, I just did like a apt get update, and it went to a version where the display, when I connect to my USB switch, my dock station to use my monitor, was incompatible. So, sorry, I choke on, I don't know. It was incompatible, so every time I was trying to boot, I was having a lot of error, and I need to go in a recovery mode, and every time, so I decided, you know what, let's format, go back to the LTS version of Ubuntu, and so today I'm expecting a lot of like, oh, I forgot to reinstall this thing. But I'm happy. So I was not sure, should I stream? Should I like take that time by myself and just like do it off stream? Because, it won't be interesting or whatever. And then I was like, you know what? No, because I'm not doing a show. Here it's like the behind the scenes. So that's part of the deal. That's what you do sometimes. You're trying to work and, oh, it doesn't work. And then you investigate what's missing and stuff like that. And that's what the stream is about. Learning, doing mistakes, searching, learning. Learning not just like how to code, but learning everything that is around. Well, we have a few people in the chat. Happy to see you there. So we have Stefan, we have Surdy Dev is there doing 17.5 miles of biking yesterday. So why are you talking to me in miles? I thought you were UK based. Isn't it kilometers? Or maybe you're US based. I forgot. But good for you. It's a good distance anyway. Oh, I have some shadow here. Let's try to make that shadow. Yeah, that's better. But there's a border. Do you see that border there, or it's only me? Maybe it's only me. I think it's only me. I'm in UK. We use miles. Oh, but is it? Yeah, it's true. I remember the miles with the different accent than UK mile. And I think it's not the same miles, isn't it? Yeah, I'm like that too. Like I mix different stuff. For example, temperature. Like here, maybe it's like, I don't know, 22 in my room. But then the swimming pool, or like water temperature, I will go Fahrenheit. And like, I'm 6 foot tall, but then like this glass is about 20 centimeter or something like that. Mixing everything. And my weight will probably be in pound, but everything else will be in kilograms. Though I'm good with ounces also. I learned very young. I was doing darkroom photography, and I was reading from English books coming from US. So I learned inches and ounces, and kind of stayed with me because, I learned that young. Okay, so that's hot. If you had some humidity, it will be. I don't know how warm it is here. Oh, let me. I don't know. Here it is. Yeah, it is 22 here. I guessed it right, but I'm in the basement, so it's always a little bit cooler. And now with all the spots, it will get warmer. Okay, so plan of the day today. We're working on the URL shortener because this thing has been progressing very, 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 very low. some people want to use it, so I need to fix it. Not that it's broken, it's just right now it's not safe. So I feel like, yeah, it is. You know, it is. It's functional but unsecure. I feel like it's broken, right? So we have coded last stream, I think, the solution. We have now two Azure function, and yeah, let me share my screen so at least I can show stuff a little bit. Oh, I should go in this presenter mode, kind of like just, you know, sharing what we'll be doing. So URL, oh, I need to switch mouse. So URL Shortener, that's the project. Simple project we build on this stream. Take a long URL, return a short one. It's leveraging serverless and Azure storage. So it's very, very budget friendly. And it just get moved to Microsoft, and doing so, they kind of like make it so it was straight open, so anybody could take it and then implement the kind of security they need. So brilliant. However, we had multiple users that, just like me, just want to install that without having to implement anything. So what we decided to do was to create, I think I have some, I'm not sure if it was in the pull request. Well, I have a design. And if you notice that little pop-up, it's because I'm on my work laptop for this first part of the stream. No, so it's still in discussion. Who landed? Jeff Hatz. Woohoo! I think that's the one. Yeah. So that's what we're working on right now. Let's make it a little bit smaller. So we implemented that already. So we have the full, like we implemented a package. So like now all the functionality, the core is in the library. You know, it's just like eventually I want to transform that in a NuGet package. Right now it's just like it's in the same folder. It's a library. And then we have two Azure functions. One just implement. Let's go back in Zoom so we could see. So one will have like all the feature but without any security. So that's good if like you're planning to do that and implement or put it in there internally or something like that. But if you're planning to deploy that as like a one-click deploy, I'm start using it and I'm using the tiny admin website, so the admin we built, then we'll have an Azure function that is purely secure because it's just doing the redirect, and another Azure function with the management functionality, and that one we will be deploying it under behind the static web app, so it won't be accessible externally. So that means it will be also secure because the static web app has some security. So on that, we'll need that. So that was all done. So we have like the full version, we have the light version, and we'll have like the management version available. In fact, here we could deploy the same one, but the redirect won't be available, won't be accessible from external, so it's kind of useless. But instead of having like three, we're just like reusing the full one. So we still need to implement the CICD and like test it and stuff like that, but I thought instead of just like doing it and like kind of like imposing my structure to everybody, I want to do it kind of like announcing my colors and like maybe have some feedback from the community, and maybe even before merging the code, having people try it, you know, maybe I forgot something, maybe we can improve it or something like that, because it's kind of a change. It could be confusing, so we'll have to review the documentation. Also, we'll have to review the code, the CI/CD pipeline, because the script now need to be a little bit more dynamic. So today I'm planning to create that branch and start talking about that. So that's why I'm on my work laptop, because I can only manage this repo since it's under Microsoft. I can only manage it if I'm on my Windows machine. I don't want to spend all stream on this machine since I'm always worried working on this machine and like streaming my screen. I shut down most of the stuff, so I shouldn't have any pop-ups or anything. Oh, you know, I didn't do that, so let's do that now. I shut down like most app, but just in case, now it's in presenting mode, so I shouldn't have any pop-up. But still, like, I'm always a little bit worried because this laptop has access of a lot of stuff. So what I want to do is, first, this, I want to make it an issue. I think I can convert that to an issue. Yeah, create an issue from this. Let's do this. I do this. Yeah. Because I'm on Windows now, I have like my favorite zoom in tool. On Linux, I don't have it yet. Maybe we should build one. Though I have a super cool game I want to start working on. So we need to finish this project, or Frank, start streaming twice a week and start working on that other game that I want. And I think it's a pretty cool game. It's a Kickstarter project that I bought, not bought, but that I contribute, that I support. What's the word? That I founded. I think it's support is the good word, right? And it's a game. It's a dice game. But I was thinking, could be cool to be able to play and like on a tablet or like on my phone or my PC, and still have, because it's a dungeon crawler game, so you still like, you need to draw stuff, but instead of like searching in a book or looking for cards, the machine would know what to display, and we could have like virtual dice also. So like, you know, if you're on the couch, you just, you know, click, roll the dice, have the total, and then, you know, it shows you what you're looking for, and then like you draw the things. And I thought it could be cool to do that. So yeah. Did I sleep well last night? Yep. That's why I have so much energy and my brain is going in every direction. Okay. Oh yeah, one thing I just realized is I don't have, if I want to chat here, I don't have Twitch here. Let's go bring this here, because if I want to drop, I can't. Let's go Twitch. Let's go this one and this one. There it is. Now I could drop. Cool. Okay, so I want to create an issue, and I think from that issue I will create a branch. So because remember, like I'm not, the version we work is not in the Microsoft account, is in my second account, GitHub account, so it's F Boucheros. So then I may do a push for a version, and I'm not sure. I think I should go. Oh, Stefan, you landed. And code by mistake. Whoa, code by mistake. That's kind of close. It's pretty good. So why? So Stefan comments on undefined process too. Where is it? I don't see undefined. Oh yeah, just on the left. That's cool. So I'm not sure. Should I deploy then into dev or vNex? I think it could be dev. I'm not sure. I think vNex will be where I will be deploying the stuff. Or maybe, I don't know. But first, let's create that issue from a discussion. Yeah. Cool. So now we have an issue created. I think now I could create a branch. I could definitely assign it to myself. It's definitely an enhancement. Version should be... Do we have a version? Yeah, I think it will be 3.1, right? Yeah, we should create a milestone 3.1 or 3.0.1. Oh, 3.1. Oh, it's a draft. Upgrade to .NET 7? Did I upgrade to .NET 7? It's very cheesy as music. What's that? Is it a good playlist? I mean, is that lo-fi? It is lo-fi. I don't know. It's okay, I think, right? Do we keep that or should we change? I think I will see. I will keep that. Yeah, let's keep that one. It's not that bad. It's just a little bit cheesy for my taste. I think it's the saxophone that does that. Oops, should have. Let's move this back. If Clarkio was there, I will love that. Okay, so yeah. So now we have this. So version. Oh yeah, the thing I want to check is did I really migrate to .NET 7? I'm not sure I did. .NET Core. Let's go see the project. No, it's .NET 6. Congrats to all those artificial friends. So I think version 3.1 fix this. Did we, like, yeah, December. I think that's what I want to, but did we fix that? I don't think we did. Do we have some, if I go project? Oh, that one is private? That one is in progress. So let's reuse this, but we'll clean that up. So let's remove this. Or do I save it? Nope. Save as a draft. Excellent. So 3.1. 3.1. So where is it? Here. Milestone. It's in 3.1. V 3.1. Development. Yes. Just wanted to create the branch. I don't want to check it out. Okay. So now if I look all the branches, cool, we have one. Excellent. I should have made feature or something, but it's okay. That's okay. So now we have that. Do I have more work to do here? I feel if I go in this, if I go in my other browser here, and I want to go GitHub, Rose. Yeah, I'm still signing in that other one. So here we have that in Core Extra. So I want to do a PR from Core Extra to that other one. So I think I'm okay now. Worst case, we'll reconnect to this PC. So right now I will stop sharing this and I will change PC. So if I go here with my big face, so now I could do like this. So like with my Cloud in 5 minutes logo. And I was switching for my little Linux machine. Way much smaller. Because I'm using a 2 PC setup, I can change between machines while streaming. Isn't it wonderful? And I shouldn't talk while typing my password because it is really, really bad. So now if I do this, yeah, we're now on Linux. Yay! Boom! And as I told you, I'm on Ubuntu 22.04. Cool. So can I drop to? Okay, cool. Everything, yeah, everything is working. And CB is still there, right? CB? I think if I do this, is it this function? I forgot. It's not talk, it's say, eh? No? What is it? How can we make CB talk? Why I'm not remembering my own command? Who landed? Who landed? Fred out a cat! Congrats. time at... Oh, it's attention. I thought it was talk. Yeah, talk. It didn't work. Did I do the typo? That's my kind of mistake, right? Well, look like talk is not working anymore. Oh, it's in the chat. So useful. I thought it was what I was looking for. It was this. Cool. Okay. So we don't need that anymore. Let's close that. I don't think we need the terminal. Cool. Excellent. Okay. Anybody took some time off? Did you take your time off of the summer? Usually a lot of people do that, right? Anyone want to share? I did. I went to my in-laws and I did a lot of biking. It was pretty cool. Can I share a few things? Let's share. I went to Germany for 10 days. Oh no, I went a few weeks ago. Ah, cool. That's nice. Brought back a lot of coffee from my favorite German coffee supply. Oh, 8 kilos? Damn. Now your suitcase will smell forever coffee. That's wonderful. Was in Greece. Oh, that's cool. Like my wife would love to go back in Greece. Which island did you go on? I went to Gaspé, so. Come on, refresh. While I was doing a bike ride. Pretty sweet, right? I went to Percé too. I don't know why they do that. So that's the famous rock with a hole in Canada. I went to see how do you say that in English? A place where they make gin? Distillery? Is it distillery? But they bought the old church and built it there. It's pretty cool. It was a really cool place. Walking on the beach, saw some sand dollar, I think they are in English. And yesterday, I don't know if you saw that, but I got a little friends, tiny little friends. While I went to in my garden, and usually like I see like bigger one, but that one was like so tiny. So I tried to do it in using my macro lenses, but holding it, managing my camera with one hand and the on my macro lens is manual focus. I was just trying. It was, yeah. I should have put my GoPro or something, my phone, to record me trying to do that. You know, it was pretty funny. Crete? Oh, I love Crete. That's where we went to. Where did you go in Crete? I'm asking a lot of questions, right? Why did not put them like all in one. If I go... I don't want to show where I live, just want to make sure it's not bound to my account. Okay, it's not. Not that I not trust you guys, but you know. Usually, we went twice with my wife, and usually we land at Hanya. I love that place, really cool, but very touristic. And after that, we take a bus. We go through here, and then we go Lutro, Olras Cafion. That's a place we go often for like transitioning, and then Lutro. I think we spent a lot of time there, kind of, but then like from there, we spend one night here, and here, that's the beach we always go. That's our place. Well, we spend like all our vacation here, and usually what I do is I hike in the morning. So it's about 45 minutes hike. Pretty cool. So yeah, next time you go to Lutro, you need to go there. Nico's restaurant, pretty damn cool. And last time, I think where was, we went to Anopolis. We went to Anopolis because yeah, we had friends, like full family there is family of one of our friends. So we went there and we hike. So we hike from Anopolis to here. And that's how we discovered that beach. And the next time we went straight to Lutro and kind of there. We went to another beach. I forgot where it was. Pink Sand or something like that. I forgot where it was. It was a long bus trip, but we didn't have as much fun. But yeah, pretty cool. Forgot what it was, the beach. But I was like, yeah, I need to go and visit. Like, there's so much history and legend and stuff. Was it the next right from Lutro Mermaid? You're talking about the beach? No, it was long. It was a long. It was a long drive in buses, and or maybe because like all those things, and at some point it was just like a pitch, and like the bus was turning, and you feel like there's no road. Oh, you went by boat? Yeah, so from Lutro, my wife was taking a boat, and like joining me back to the beach, Magmara. But I was hiking. I definitely prefer hiking. And it was funny, like a bunch of goats and stuff. Do I have pictures of that? Yeah, let's play a little bit unsafe. That was pretty cool. Oh, that was hiking. So I was hiking over there in the mountain to go to the beach. I was in the house we rent, just in case. Yeah. Oh yeah, that my wife tasted olives, but straight from the tree. That was funny too. I don't want to show a picture of her just since I didn't ask any permissions. Any good picture? There was like a bunch of goats. That's what I'm trying to come on. I don't find it. Or maybe if I go smaller. Frank, come on. I don't see. I had a picture where like there were, or even a video where I was like a bunch of goat coming my way, and they just walk like if they were on the sidewalk, and like, you know, you're on the trail and it's like 2 feet wide and just like on a cliff kind of style. And it's all over there. It's like rock with little rocks and bigger rocks on top of rocks. You know, you get the point. It's only rocks. And the goat were just like, yeah, we're having fun here. And I'm like, what? They were running. So like, okay, move out. It was nice. But it was so hot. I think I'm not built for that type of hot temperature. Okay. So here yeah. But yeah, so cheers to Crete. I think they're safe so far from, or was it there? The big fire? Or it's like many places but not there. There was big fire, right? In Greece. But the fire was on Crete, but before you went. Also, you must have been stressed about like, oh, does my trip will be canceled or something like that, with everything booked. I'm trying to get back to the habit of standing, and I need practice. Okay, just my legs are already feeling tired. So hello, first time in chat, the one. How are you? Welcome aboard. Welcome behind my cloud. We're having fun chatting because it's like that. It's been so long that I miss you. And we're taking some news, sharing stuff. So feel free to share if you take some time off this summer. You want to share where you go, where you went. It's good to do it. If you have questions about this project, we're trying to update. So we did a major update and now we're trying to push it to the official version slowly, kind of like showing what we have so the community can make comments before we merge and everything. Oh, cool. Just graduated from .NET. Yeah, that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Just looking for some inspiration. Well, enjoy. So we built this URL shortener just for fun because I needed a URL shortener so it takes a long URL and make it short. I can put the URL, like if you're new here, maybe you don't know this project. And like, so we build it live streaming on this stream. And now it got moved to Microsoft account, but we still continue to contribute and things like that. And like there's a lot of contribution that came from the community, from people on this chat. Who landed? Grovosaurus. I didn't land today. I need to, keep going. Okay, so we have this. So we are 3 commit ahead. What? Oh, from Microsoft main. Yeah, but like we're not pushing in main. Just 3 commits? No, but what I would like to do though is take this and our core extra. So we could do this. Yeah. Okay. Implementing. Okay. So not sure how to do it. How did I call that? And is function light. What else? So now there's the deployment. The deployment is not done. And of course there's documentation. Documentation, because that's the most important part. Not most, but kind of vital. So how do you do like checkboxes? Ah, there. Oops. So we need to put a space here, apparently. There it is. Did I miss some chat? Look like no. Oh, cool. And since I didn't drop yet, let's try. Let's try with. Oh, oh, oh. Oh my god. 91. That was pretty amazing. Straight. Yeah, I did land on the target. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, so we have this. Uh-huh. So, okay. Is it conditional? More dynamic to make it more dynamic. Uh-huh. If I create a graph, cannot be merged. That's what I want. Cool. Please read the following. If you agree to the CICD, please reply to the following condition. But I'm F. Bushiros, but I want to be me. That's fine. Obviously, I will agree. Cool, so now it's there. Plane loaded. Get ready, everybody. It will be the party soon. Get ready, 2 minutes. Okay. So now we have that. I think it's time we try to make it conditional. Okay, so it shows that I'm the one creating all the code. Okay, cool. So let's go back to our own account. And now, oh, like in fact not. Why don't I have? I don't have those all the time. Okay, so if we go here, so I forgot your name already. The D1. I'm running on Linux, so it's still .NET. Right now we are in .NET 6, but I'm running on Linux. Just because I can. Just, you know, walking the talk. Validating that it's working. Oh, one thing I think I didn't install on this, since I Git Kraken stuff, I need to do that. But also, I think I need to change that. I want it to vanish, not just... Come on, VS Code. There's the new... Is it dev-kit? So I did install it. Cool. Project solution. Oh, excellent. So I have it. Excellent. Oh, I should git lens. I should also fix that. I have a full version of that. Lurky Dev landed today. Pretty cool. Okay, you know what? I will fix that later. It's just that I really like... Where is it? Here now you have the tree at the top. I really like that. I think it's pretty cool. So that's git lens. I love those. It's the same that Git Kraken tool that I like so much. And I'm an ambassador, so like here are the links. So I love that so much that they asked me to be ambassador. And if you subscribe using the referral links, give me points. With enough points, I got stickers. Do I have stickers here on? But they're not here. And when I do events, I give away stickers. At some point, they were doing like a giveaway, and Copper Birdie win the Switch, Nintendo Switch. Nothing less than a Nintendo Switch a long time ago. Okay, so yeah, so we want to have a look to the deployment. So this is our deployment right now. So I'm using ARM templates. I should be moving to ARM, but it's working. I don't want to re-implement everything, but that could be a good... Like maybe I should create a feature request and like doing it in ARM or something else. That could be cool. That could be interesting. Okay. So parameter, we have base name. I want to keep that. Existing SWAT. I don't like that is that, but we'll keep it this way. Default redirect, GitHub URL, git branch, expire on owner. So we'll need a new variable, and that will be deciding what we do. Like, do we go install the full one or the light one? And it's been a while since I did that, so... So I think I want to add a new variable here. Right? So, is it big enough? I can make it a little bit bigger. Voila. Is it big enough? Should be, right? How should we call that? Deployment type? Deployment choice? Deployment choice. Or solution type? Solution. I think it's solution choice make the most sense. What do you think? Solution choice. Solution selection. Deploying what? It could be that. Deploying what? Oh. Yeah, deploying what sounds good. What do you think, Cloudies? Deploying what? Or solution choice? I feel solution choice is not clear. But deploying what? In my little brain, deploying what? Feel like pretty clear. And then here I have a type. And it will be an array. I think. Told you it's been a while, right? And the allowed value will be full shortener, light shortener. Right? And then the default value I think I want the light as the default. Because that was the people using it initially, so I want to keep that. And I should also put description. Oh, but it will be in metadata. Metadata. I love that IntelliSense. That's pretty cool. That's with the AZ CLI. No, the ARM template extension, I think. Where'd that come from? Did I install that already? Maybe it's part of the Azure package. I think I installed Azure stuff. Or maybe it's... No, I don't even have Copilot installed. Interesting. Well, that's interesting. Where that metadata? How come it knows? That's cool. Cool. So now I need to explain. will deploy. I think full shortener deploys. Yeah. Deploys the complete but insecure Azure function. Lightning deploy just the redirect Azure function, and I realized that it's capital A here and lower F, and I did the reverse. Let's do this. Okay, cool. But where I am. Okay. So light shortener deploys only the function and required the an admin tool. Cool. I feel like it's a very, very long documentation, but we'll see. Okay, so now we have that suffix function app. So I think though, so that's the function app. Is the code hard coded? Resource, source control, branch. Oh, here it's looking for. So, oh, that's good. But wait, what? How does it know where is the Azure function? We don't specify it, right? Let's save for now. And we are in core extra, that's good. Okay, so base name, deploying what? Existing's what? So we need to deploy that first. I'll need to make sure that works too. And then default redirect URL, that's good. So the GitHub, and the branch, okay. But how does it know where is the solution? Ah, project folder, SRC. Where's that use? It's never used. A useless variable. So I think what we'll need to do here is have a variable and having like a branches, like not a branch, but a kind of a conditional. And if we picked the full, we'll go one way, and if we go light, we'll go the other way. So function app. So the thing is, how does it know which version to take? I'm not sure why. How does that happen? Well, we'll continue to look into this. Okay, so function app, right? Website, function, location, tags, depends on, blah, 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 blah. But usually it's when you do the sync, so it should be in the source code. So properties of that. Okay, version 4, that's good. .NET isolated, that's good. That's good. So now we're pointing for the app inside. That's great. Storage. That's great. That's for like our connection to like our data store kind of thing. Storage, default redirect. Okay. .NET version 6, so definitely not there. Okay, so now from this we have the resource, and here we have the source control. It depends on the website, obviously. The repo, the branch, but I don't specify the folder. How would it know? Is there a file that I'm missing? Let's go back here. That's not what I'm looking for. How does it work? Git ignore, git attributes, all contribution, no. GitHub maybe? Founding the, no. And in source, I have the solution here. So before, oh, that's the thing. Before I had just one function. So it's probably obvious. So now I need to specify the project. I need to specify where is the code. How do you do that again? I think it's in the function. You need to declare a variable kind of project. So I'll definitely need to do that. Okay, let's pass through the rest. So static web app. Yeah, that's why I was having this variable where I was at the top. function project folder and they removed it probably. I can check the history, right? How do I know which version is what? Okay, so that's the new version. So that before that, so that's your repo. Okay, before that. So we have the condition that was added. Oh, that's cool. So you could just go there. Ah. Okay, and whoops. Interesting. Okay. And before that, well, that's still with the condition. Is this still used somewhere? Still no, huh? Okay, let's go back again. Oh, now we have a little bit more code. Let's have a look. So they changed that? No, that's me highlighting it? No. Oh, but yeah, because it's here, it's highlighted. Uh-huh. So they still didn't change the stuff here. They added a config. Okay. Okay. I think we're getting closer, but I think we'll need to go one version even before. Ah, there it is. Application. But that's the URL shortener. Yeah, no. I mean the same thing, but for the okay. Okay, let's go prior to that. So that's when they start changing my naming for like something smaller, saving characters. That's good. I mean, it's good. Like, it's fine. Source control. What's the difference? Oh, they added the space. Cool. So it's still. Oh, did I always have one? Yeah, I only had one. So that's why I didn't care. Yeah, I think I will never have two folder. Just forgot how it's called. I think it's project. Project folder. Go older than that. And it's still the same. Older than that. Older than that. Project. I'm not too bad, right? So based on that now, we can change that. So we had that. Okay, let's what's the note? What are my options here? Text editor, whatever. So we want to add this. Oops. Right? That's tiny. Can I make it bigger? Oops. Can I make it bigger? Change case. Nope. Hey, I want that bigger. You. Well, okay, let's keep it for that now. I don't like that. Cool. So we need to add this. Am I missing stuff? Oh, I think I still have my VPN working on my laptop. Okay. I'm having like the, welcome to the chat room message. I think I'm running a VPN on my laptop. Since I was traveling, I do that. I forgot to turn it off. It's not bad. Okay, so by doing that, I think we should be good. And then we'll have a condition. And change this value. Yeah. So we can close this. Oh, I forgot where it was. Damn it. It was in the Frank. Oops. It was in the function app, right? Yeah, it's in the function app. You know what, let's keep it open just in case. Okay, so I think I'm already okay. So function app. This is the app settings, and it's in the app settings. Depends on. Then you got properties, app settings. Let's make it just. Yeah, app settings. And it was there. Cool. So here in the app settings, we'll add a new one. I still have that in my clipboard. Voila, pretty cool. So now we have project, and the variable is function project folder. I like that. So now at the top, project folder, we'll have a condition like this, and then we'll assign two different paths. So we do a if parentheses so parentheses the condition, comma, and that will be the true, and then that will be false, and then we the full thing is in parentheses. Okay, and then we close the bracket. So like this, and I need some evaluation, so like this. So the square brackets in an ARM template specify that the value inside those quotes need to be evaluated. So now I will be doing the if, and exactly what I want here. So it's equals, same thing. And then parameter, same thing, parameters, I think, plural, right? Yeah. And I need to specify the name of that parameter. And then the second value. So parameter name, it was deploy what? Deploying what? Parameter this. And the value, if the value is equal to light, Url Shortener, then the condition is true, and we need to specify that path. That path will be src, right? Will be src, and then copy path. That will be good. So will be src, and then, or on Linux, so I'm assuming it will be this, and it will be blah 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 blah. So that's if it's light. If it's not light, then we go install the full version, and the path is functions. Voila. Like that. I think it's... yeah. Cool. So that solved the Azure function part. Now, should save. Now for the Blazor website. That's always the same for the Blazor website. Is it true? Yeah. But it's define. It's not using an ARM template. Isn't it? No, it's not. So it will be in the documentation and we'll need to specify that. So I think we're good. Whoops. Yeah, I think we're good. So can I commit from here? So I added the parameter, I added the conditional stuff here. And then I'm using it there. Okay, so okay, can I do this? Visual Studio Code. This section will pull and push the commits. Okay. GitHub, fingerprint, blah, 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 blah. Are you sure you want to connect? Yeah? Okay, cool. Git pull, tags, origin, warning, permanently added. Please make sure you have the correct access. Also, look like I don't. Git push origin. Public key. Okay, let's try with Git Kraken. I just reset my laptop, so I maybe the what? Those guys, they go super fast. Compare. Oh, we should have used that. Okay, new tab. Workspace. Connect to GitHub. Wait a second. I think I know my mistake. Where this project is. Oh no, it's an F shows. Exit preference. Behind my cloud. Okay, if I'm in the default profile and I go F shows, I think that was the thing. Repository here. Clone. dev, GitHub, Url Shortener. Open this. Yeah, push this. I don't have. Oh man. I think I had the same issue the other day. But I think why it's not working. It's my repo. Preferences. Profile. Integration. Okay, let's do this. Now I'm connected. Can I go now? Oh, that was just the thing. I needed to generate a new key. I forgot. It happens, right? It's okay, isn't it? Cool. So if I go back here, so in the repo, I want to go here also. We have now on the Microsoft one, we should have a pull request now. Implement core extra structure. So now is it pushing automatically the stuff over there? Commits. Yeah. August 11th. Conditional stuff. Cool. So deployment may be done, but not. Let's not try it yet. So core extra. And I think I will need a pause. So if I go, let me double check first. I don't want to let you without any music or anything. Or could I leave it here? It's boring a little bit, right? What can I do? Could I do this? Let's do this. Did I fix it? I didn't fix it. I will be back, okay? I'll come back. Give me 5 minutes. Okay, I'm back. Sorry for that. Okay, so where are we? So we pushed. Let's change this. It's been a while since we let's do a drop. Yeah, so can we deploy? I think we can deploy, right? I want to see the code. Is there any Microsoft? No, I was not looking at the good place. What's this? Here, I want to see. Is there any Microsoft hard-coded? Of course it will be soft, but it's more in a path or something like that in a URL. Oh, I think where it will be hard-coded will be in the in the clickable link. Yeah, I think so. I think if I'm here, core extra, how to deploy the step-by-step. And if I go here, say, hey, deploy this. But if I deploy that, the URL is Microsoft. Yeah. But now if we deploy that, so if you want to use this tiny blazor admin static, you need to do it. So if I do this now, follow the steps. Fork. Yeah, if I want to use this, and then it says that, oh no, okay. I show stuff. Okay, cool, I fixed that. That's nice. So I need to go in the portal. Okay, let's go in the portal. Yips. I don't know. What was that? Portal. Azure. You could see that it's a new PC when I'm typing PORT and it's not portal.azure.com that show up. Even just PO, nothing show up, right? Leaving for the weekend. Enjoy, Stefan. Have a good weekend. Go outside. It's my anniversary today, so like I'll probably do a lot of stuff. Not my birthday, but anniversary. 22 years. Let's signing not in this screen. Even though I'm pretty sure everybody know my email, but whatever. No, that wasn't my password. Is it you? Yes. Do you approve? Yes. Give me your fingerprint. Yes. A blood sample. Yes. Cool. So now, yeah, fine. So we have a portal. Bing, bing, bing. Oh yeah, and I didn't install a bunch of Yeah, I will delete it. Okay, so let's click here and let's go static. Do we have time? I have time. Static web app. I shouldn't be doing that because I think I didn't install my tool to take screenshot. Oh, just like a print screen. I have print screen here. Yeah, I have print screen. What happened if I do this? Oh yeah, see, it's working. Okay, let's do this. Yeah, okay, so let's do this. Frank Perso, the resource group will be Shadows Demos. This will be admin Shadows. Cool. Free Central US. Let's go East US 2. GitHub. Organization. Evucheros. Repository. The branch. It's core extra. Build preset. Now it's a Blazor. The application. So here we'll need to change that to this. Do I have it, Andy? Yeah. Past me, I love you. Boom. And now API location. I was like, hey, don't use it, but we need to. And it's functions. www root. Oh yeah, so there's another thing we'll need to fix. Isn't it? Yeah. Is it? Yeah, because remember we had in the deployment, if we deploy those, they were updating, I think, the configuration. So in the static website, yeah, so they were retrieving the static website and changing, oh no, setting. Huh. Was it doing everything? Could I do that now? No, need to exist. Wait, what? So it's changing that. Setting this. Link backend. Backend resource ID. Yeah, but no. Yeah, so we don't need that anymore. Yeah, I think we don't need that anymore. Because we're deploying the Azure function part of the static web app, so we don't need that connection. And even more, we will be able, so here I think at the beginning I was specifying that with that new version where the Azure function was running there, you couldn't use the free plan. I think. Provide the name, cool. A second, deploy. There's many ways you could run the tiny deployment. Once that deployment, use static web app. So open the portal, create a new resource group, click blah, blah. So be sure to choose the standard plan and bring your own for more info. Like, yeah, that's changed right now. So we don't need that anymore. We could go free because the Azure function, I'm pretty sure if we go with the plan, let's explore the plan feature. So with the free plan, who landed? Lurky Dev, second time. That's pretty good. Did you beat your score? Yeah. So with the free plan, you have the manage, and that's where we go now. But to bring your own, we needed the standard. So standard, there's some fee. So even like with the change I'm doing right now, like we're going even lower with the price, back to what it was originally. So yeah, I'm very happy. So we'll definitely need to have to change the docs and rechange again the deployment to do that. Yeah. Let's give it a try. I'll probably need to work offline, but I think I'm pretty good. I'm pretty happy with the change we did today. Hopefully it was useful if you're watching that on like if you made it to the end, watching it on demand. Thank you. Give it a like and write a comments if you're writing on comments. Like I'm always looking forward. If you're in the chat, thank you again for being with me today. It was pretty cool having you on board. Even if you're just lurking, it's always good. I'm streaming not to become Mr. Popularity, but force me or to code, learn, get out of my comfort zone. So having you there, feel like it's worth it, and you know we can chat about Crete, vacation, bunch of stuff, games sometime, keyboards other times. So look like the thing is getting deployed. It will take a few moments to get deployed. We'll have to add an email here eventually. So I thought, so one thing I'm not sure, application settings, general settings. So here, if I go back here now, I should have Did I not specify core extra? I did, right? Yeah, I have a workflow now. So we should have an action running right now. Yes. So I should see it somewhere, right? Custom domain APIs. Overview. I thought we had the... Oh, where is it? They changed it? I lose it? Lost it? So app settings. It's strange that there's nothing yet, I guess. Preview environment. Password protection, no. App inside, that's not what I'm looking for. Here, environment. Role management. For that, we'll need to create an admin and I will need to invite myself. So it fails. Didn't build. Host. File cannot specify the HTTP route prefix other than API. What? Host. Oh no, it was not function, it was function light, right? And I had a host here. And prefix is empty. So I'm at the top of the hour. I will need to go. Thank you a lot again for all of you who were there today. That was a super cool stream. Very happy with the stream. I will see you next week for another stream. Bye-bye.